When you're ready.
Okay, we're going to anchor out for the night and we're going to show you how it's done.
Oh, you messed up.
Oh, okay.
Hang on, it's too bright now.
Okay. Oh, stay tuned for more?
Yep.
Okay.
You gotta point at the camera.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, whenever you're ready, you start.
Okay. We're going to anchor out for tonight and we're going to show you how it's done. Ah! Stay tuned for more. Waves, waves.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay. We're going to anchor out for the night and we're going to show you how it's done. Stay tuned for more.
Talk to the camera.
Hey, so we're getting ready to stay the night here out on the Detroit River at the mouth of the Lake Erie. And we will be showing you how to anchor out to keep the boat stable for the night.
Shake it up. Alright, so anyway, we stayed here last night and we're right off of Detroit River, Sugar Island, right behind me here. And then on the other side is Grosse Ile. And if we were to hop over Sugar Island, across the channel there is where the old Boblo Island used to be. So we stayed here last night, set up an anchor alarm. I'll show you that in a minute. Also brought a little portable generator. My boat doesn't have a generator built in. I got a Predator Harbor Freight generator, 2,000 watt. It works pretty good. I have no problems with it. We were able to make coffee this morning, a breakfast sandwich. So anyway, I'm going to show you. I'll show you this here. So most of your GPS is what you want to do for the night. Sorry. What you want to do for the night, most GPS is you want to set an anchor alarm. I have a Garmin Echo map, and honestly, I couldn't find. I'm booting it up now. I couldn't find the anchor alarm on here. I looked through the menu. It's coming up here. Should have left it on. 1 second. Okay, here we go. So anyway, I went through the menus here. I couldn't find the anchor alarm. So I've looked all over the place. Here's the depth. We're in like about 3 feet of water, maybe 4 feet because of the weeds are shadowing that off. But anyway, I did find these are networked together with the backbone. And I did find in here, if I go to the menus, and then go down to alarms. Let me see. Setup. Maybe it's in setup. Alarms. Then there's shallow water. There's different alarms this thing does. Where's the anchor alarm going? There's the anchor drag alarm. Let me see here. I want to show you how I found it though. Which I don't see it. Maybe it's under drift. Let's look. Drift alarms off. I swear it was right under there. It is. I don't know why it didn't come up a second ago, but it's under drift. This is my multi-gear, and I can set this if I open this menu up, and I can select that, and I can set how far the drift is. So I can do like 40 feet. Usually you want about 70 feet if you got a good open area. Got a boat behind me now. He's heading out. They stayed the night. Kind of cool. But anyway, you set the anchor. I better stay focused here, but set the anchor alarm. that's done, and that's all you got to do. So that's how you hear it. But problem is I felt like I had a problem hearing it downstairs when we're sleeping throughout the night. So what I did is I went on, I got an Apple phone, and I went on the app, and I ended up downloading the Anchor alarm on the app there. Let me see if I can find that. So on my phone, I downloaded last night Anchor Pro, which says it has an Anchor alarm. And then I set it, since we're close to the beach, I had 2 anchors out, one in front, one in back. I didn't want to drift too much, and so I set it for 30 feet. If you're just one anchor and you're swinging in a bay or something, you probably want 7,500 feet on that. And then I could set that current location, and then this, basically I went to bed with the phone, and I can hear this. The GPS, I mean, I hate to knock Garmin, I love Garmin products, but there's no way if this thing would have went off, I can't find out how to turn up the volume or anything, there's no way we would have heard that in the middle of the night up here. So I end up downloading an Anchor alarm on my phone and using that instead. The water started going down, and we had to basically push off the sand this morning and come out a little bit away from the beach as water went down a little bit. But the current's usually heading out to Lake Erie, but the wind is pushing us back. So I got a line out here in the stern to stop us from swinging outward, and preferably I'd like to head the back to the beach so we can get off and on the boat easier, but we did that last night, and then we had to move out here. And then up front, I'll show you this. We got the anchor set up front here. So it looks like it's heading off a little bit this way. And once again, we're pulling this way, so we probably got about 20 feet of chain out right now. There's only like 3 or 4 feet of water though. Preferably I like to flip around, but it's too risky right now with shallow water, getting the props in the sand here. So it's nice out. This is the middle of September, and could be the last chance a weekend I got to do this, so I took advantage of it. And hanging out here, but beautiful. Nice to wake up in the morning and this is what you see. You know, if you look around having your morning coffee. As far as this boat goes, this drifter here, this is the first time I was able to get a chance to do this. So I got to sit here and camp out for the night. It's the first time. I've had the boat 4 years, and the first time I've done it on anchor. It's fun.
She got that 60s Midwest cool, the kind of make a smart man a fool. Calculated, take you right to school, baby. And now I wanna follow all her rules. You know she got me coming back again. I lose my mind and phone a friend. I know this is the end. She got me saying,